In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw on Pumpfun in 2026, step by step. If you want to take money out of Pumpfun, the key thing to understand is that you do not withdraw directly to a bank account from the platform itself. Instead, you first need to convert or swap your meme tokens into SOL, which is the native token of the Solana network. This is the main asset you'll use to move funds out smoothly. So the first part of the process is making sure the tokens you hold on Pumpfun are swapped into SOL. If you're still holding meme coins, those need to be exchanged before you can continue. This is important because SOL is the token that your wallet can easily send onward to other platforms. Once that swap is complete, the SOL should appear in your connected wallet. In most cases, that will be a wallet like Phantom or MetaMask, depending on what you connected to Pumpfun. Before moving on, take a moment to confirm that the balance is actually visible in your wallet. It's always a good idea to double check this so you know the funds are ready to be transferred. After you have SOL in your wallet, the next step is sending it to a cryptocurrency exchange if your goal is to cash out into your local currency. Common examples include major exchanges where you can deposit SOL, then convert it into fiat, and withdraw it to your bank using the options available in your region. Make sure you copy the correct Solana deposit address from the exchange and verify it carefully before sending anything. Even a small mistake with a wallet address can cause a transfer to fail or be lost. If your goal is not to convert into cash, another option is to use your SOL through supported crypto spending platforms. That can be useful if you want to spend the value directly rather than sending it to a bank. One helpful tip is to keep a small amount of SOL in your wallet for network fees. On Solana, transaction fees are usually low, but you still need enough SOL available to complete transfers. Also, always review the network you are using and make sure it matches the wallet or exchange destination. So to recap in a simple way, swap your meme tokens into SOL on Pumpfun, confirm the SOL is in your connected wallet, and then send that SOL either to a crypto exchange to convert into fiat or to a supported platform where you can spend it. That's the full withdrawal process on Pumpfun for 2026.